So, hello friends, welcome to back to my channel. Today we are going to play Minecraft on a game controller or a gamepad in my 2-year-old gamepad. I have I am using this after 2 years at least since I purchased, and I played 2 days only with this device. So as you can see below, it is written A select B exit. So I will just place, and the green is the highlighted one. So I will just press A, and look, it is now doing good. And if I do LB, okay, what is LB? I think L2. Oh my god. Okay, I am not touching the screen, as you can see. I will not touch the screen in this game. Today I will give a tour to you of my imperial city. I think I should not give it right now. I should show you now by playing the game. 5 minutes per creative and survival. Okay, nothing to see here. Nothing to see here, not exactly. Oh my god, you scared me, boy. As you can see, if I press the R1 button, then it will beat him. It will just look at not touching the screen. As you can see, a crosshair has appeared. I am pointing this towards the villager. As you can see, a crosshair has appeared, which helps you to detect your location. Where are you? And as you can see, I'm just moving around with my right joystick, but moving with right joystick is like this. Okay, see the whole world. Okay, and with the left joystick you can move like this, like this. As you can see, now I am using both the joystick to play this game. So let's use our hacking elements in this game, no cheats using. I will just I don't know how to open B. Okay, if you press the X button, then it will open your inventory. Here is also written Y inventory, so I will just press Y. Y will also open your inventory, X will also open your inventory. So it is a thing, and now you can see there is a crosshair on the elements that are moving. So the crosshair helps you to detect the element which you want to take. So Y. I don't know how to remove Y to remove. Should I clear hotbar? I should press using the arrow button. I am not using A Y B X. Okay, I am not using A B X Y. I am just using the arrow, not the joystick even. Like this, you can use the joystick. Choose it like this, like this. Okay, like this you can use it. So I will just select, as you can see, it will show you nature, items, equipment, construction, all. Okay, so I'm now exiting by pressing B. So to use, you need to press the LT one. Look, I'm now pressing. As you can hear the sound. You can also open this door. You can place by pressing LT again, and by pressing RT you can also break the item you have placed. And now, as you can see, I'm moving my both the joystick to give you the tour of old city using gamepad. As you know, I have not completed this city. I will complete this very soon. Then I will make a video on it. It will make a very good video because it is a city made by me with my own hands. There is no other friend or any mate be working with me. So I am doing this whole thing alone. Building the water tank to the pumping station. Look, it is the pumping station. As you can see, if you are, I now you will ask me, I think, that how are you jumping and flying in the sky and coming down to the ground. So the answer is here only, that press just while you are moving like this, press A to jump like this. 1 2 3 4. Okay, and now if you want to bend down, you can press B like this. B. And if you want to fly in the sky, we press the jump button 2 times, so automatically I will press it. Ting ting ting. As you can see, I am flying in the sky. And now just I will do nothing else than just flying in the sky. So as you can see, I will not try to break this type of things, and the reaction of B in this flying is that you can go down. I will show you how to go down. I will land in the swimming pool. Okay, see me, just watch me. I will land in the swimming pool. Okay, as you can see, I have jumped on swimming pool. This is my swimming pool number. Okay, so don't try to do anything with it. To use the hot bar, as you can see below, I am toggling it. You have to use the L1 and R1 button in your gamepad. I recommend you to buy the Samu SG27 gamepad. Okay, this video is not sponsored by it, so I am just using this gamepad and it is very excellent. Many of you use PS4 here or PS3 gamepad, I know, but it is not affordable for me, so I didn't purchase it. I know the gamepad is sold separately, but the amount which it takes, I don't have that amount, so I am using a low budget gamepad, but it is still working after 2 years. I got mad when I was trying this in the morning that I have not used this 2 years ago. I have used this last time, but how is it still working? It is perfectly fine. As you can see, here are some gameplay gameplay. I am suppose if any lag occurs, then I am doing it, because it is I am not pro at using this gamepad, so don't consider it. Just break it, and like this, let's break it. And suppose, look, people are sleeping here, and what do you want? A flag of England is here. Okay, England flag. So I will just press A and jump and fly over the sky. As you can see, I am going up and up. As you can see, I am using my joystick right now. Okay, so it is a bit easy to use. To use this, you will need a practice. I have practiced this from two days ago. I want to play games like Free Fire and PUBG Mobile using this gamepad, because I don't know how it feels like using this, because I don't have a laptop even to play my games on PC. I am a pro in keyboard game. I can use keyboard in playing mobile games. Okay, actually this is a mobile game, nothing to see. This is a mobile game. This is Minecraft Pocket Edition. Many of you will tell me that it is Minecraft Java Edition or Bedrock or Education Edition. I will tell it is not an Java Edition or Education Edition. It is just the Pocket Edition which I am using in mobile. Many of you know about this, I think, so I don't have a meaning to tell you these type of things. And when you double press the jump button, then automatically you will get down and can walk by your legs. So as we can see, we have found some wheat here, so let us check our inventory first of all. At what do we have in here? Oh my god. A I'm just leaving this right now here. Back. It is not below. Just take it. Let it grow completely. What? No wheat. How to plant all these things I don't know. Don't do farming very much. Because in my survival I haven't got to this level, okay? So and here are some bed. And now I will show you, thank God it is night. I will show you how to sleep on a bed. You just need to go to the bed and press the LT button as it is showing in the right side, okay? Right side it is giving many information. RT to mine, L to sleep. I will mine one, okay? I have pressed RT button and mine one bed and press LT to sleep. A select, you know, A is used to select open chat, leave bed. Okay, before leaving the bed the morning has arrived. So now I will press again double tap A. As you can see we are flying. So many of you know about this thing. So just nothing new in this gamepad to see. Oh wait, nothing new what? You can use this gamepad easily to toggle your perspective, just like I am doing right now, like this, okay, like this you can play this game, and it's very easy. You can turn your face like this, but I will also do this, by the way. You can also use this game. Oh my god, you scared me, leave me. Oh my god, I got scared right now. So let's just continue playing with this thing. So I will switch my perspective to back to first person. Now I am making this floor a better floor. So okay, this house has been completed. Some extra works are remaining, and this building is under construction. It will be completed in a few months. All the buildings, this type of structures are like this, and this tree. I will also use different bricks or stone bricks to give color or shades to these buildings. So as you can see, this is my water tank. A road is being created right now from here to there, but we continue the whole thing. Okay, so I am just going here and using this LT button to open this door, and also again use the button to close the door. So as you can see, I am back here. As you can see, these stone blocks are here only to give a constant supply of water. Pumping, this pipe is coming from the pumping station here. As you can see, it is coming in a straight direction. Okay, so and this also generate electricity. It is a thermal power plant, low budget. Everything here is low budget. Okay, don't tell me like that. Why did you build low budget items here? Everything here is low budget. And here, as you can see, the house is also low budget. The reservoir, the water is going from the reservoir to the tank in the roof by this process. The pipes are going on inside the buildings. There is no pipe as I did. So first time in Minecraft I am using water supply in this house. Okay, so I will prove you how the water is coming up. As you can see, I will just break this glass. Yes. Why is it not breaking? Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I did a big mistake, I think. Yes, I need a big mistake. I made the whole floor water. Okay, as you can see, I'm inside the water. It works like this. So I will just show you right now how you can use this one. You can place a block. Okay, I will just cover it. Okay, everything was constructed from before. It is all the tanks. It is the water tanks. Oh my god, I fell down. And how you can climb the ladder? You need to get to the normal position. That's like flying. You will get error some in the climbing ladder. Now I am just climbing it. I go to the roof like this. And as you can see, the house is low budget because the water pipes are inside the house. It is looking like chimneys. Actually, really it is water chimneys, so nothing to worry. Only one villager is here. He is not a villager anymore. He or she, I don't know, is a citizen because it will soon turn into a city. I will make shops here, and I am using this nether blocks to build this house and this block of iron also. So I'm just flying and showing you how did I make it. Okay, as you can see, I think it's good here. Here is a lectern to make a note for security guard. So whatever, let us move forward. I have broken this door mistakenly. Okay, I am not a pro at this. I am telling from before. I don't know right now how to operate it, but just I am showing that you can play Minecraft using gamepad. Okay, and now I will press LT to open this reservoir inside this underground. Underground there is a reservoir inside this house. As you can see, it is a water tank. So I will just go up like this and place something like this to it. Oh my god. Okay, just I'm climbing, and as you can see, if you want proof, you have some proof that the water is going from right up to down, because according to force of gravity there is no pressure. It is automatic pump is here, but now the pump is off. The water will go to the whole building. I will just climb, and as you can see, the water is coming like this. And now just I will go up, move just like this. I will fly. Okay, and here you can see, here is the tank. So nothing new, and just like that process I will go down. Okay, I just go to this first floor. Okay, I'm out. Why are you staring at me like this, huh? Why are you staring at me like this? How dare you stare at me? You got shining one, no? Kill you, kill you, kill you. Torture you, I will torture you. Wait. Died. Thank God he died. With the criminal. Oh my god, I am not a criminal. Oh my god, I have put this guy inside the jail, okay? Because he is a mad guy. So to react with blocks such as this loom, you need to place LT button again to react with these blocks, and as you can see, the options will be given to you. Just press A, and I will just go down like this. What is also coming, and LT to use this again, and back button to exit. And so I think you have understand how to play this game for the time being. Later I will make more videos on this game. This game is very good. I didn't know many things about the game. Very good game. I like this game. Okay? Now just I will go up in the sky. Okay, as you can see, this thing will slowly develop into a city with no trees at all. Okay, and that's pretty good idea. Thank you for this video.